Good day, everyone, especially to our professor, Sir Daniel R. Sanson. This is Najib Hassan, and I am going to continue the discussion and presentation about the R Student Guide that we have, and we are going to execute those codes that we have in our problems. So let's start. So the first problem that we have is the rail trail dataset within the Mosaic package includes the counts of crossings of a rail trail in Northampton, Massachusetts for 90 days in 2005. City officials are interested in understanding usage of the trail network and how it changes as a function of the temperature and day of the week. Describe the distribution of the variable average temp. So before we begin to perform or to execute the RStudio, we should install those package that is needed to our data set. So first, let's type. Then Control Enter to run this. So we have this data. So let's start to solve the number 3 of the problem. So we have this result. So the next is the Railtrail dataset also includes a variable called cloud cover. Describe the distribution of this variable in terms of its center, spread, and shape. So next is the number 4. So make sure na pag nag-error tayo, it means yung tinype natin na, yung syntax code na tinype natin is mali. So, ayan. Lastly, we have the variable in the Railtrail dataset that provides the daily count of crossings is called volume. Describe the distribution of this variable in terms of its center, spread, and shape. Lastly is yung number 5. Yun yung i-run natin. So as we can see, in this part of the console, this is the script of editing where we write, save, and run our code here. So in this part, as we can see, this is the part where we can see the output of our code in the console pane, and we can also write the temporary code here. And This is where we see what data frames, objects, and other stuff that we have created. And in this part is where we can view and manage the files, view output of graphics, and manage the packages and view help menus. So, that's all.